Kuwait says Iranian drones heavily damaged a passenger terminal at Kuwait International Airport, killing one person and wounding dozens. AP reports the strike briefly closed the airfield and hit a Gulf country that had seen itself as a relative haven. India's embassy said the person killed was an Indian national. Kuwaiti authorities said 63 people were wounded, including passengers and airport workers, with some of the injuries described as serious. Iran's Revolutionary Guard denied firing at the airport and claimed the terminal was damaged by a failed U.S.-made interceptor. U.S. Central Command called that false and said Iranian drones made a deliberate and unjustified attack on the airport. The airport partially reopened later, with Kuwait Airways flights resuming from a different terminal. AP reports no other flights were operating at that point, showing how quickly a regional military exchange can spill into civilian travel. The attack came as the U.S. and Iran traded claims of retaliation. AP reports the U.S. said it downed multiple drones targeting American forces in Kuwait and launched strikes on an Iranian military ground control station on Qasem Island in the Strait of Hormuz. The big question is whether Gulf countries can keep civilian infrastructure out of the war zone. A passenger terminal, airport workers, travelers, missile defenses, and diplomatic expulsions now sit inside the same story, and that makes the next round even more dangerous.